That seems easy, but it's not. That seems easy, but it's not. That seems easy, but it's not. Or we can say, that seems easy, but it is not. That seems easy, but is not. I arrived at the office on time. 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 I'd like to drink a cup of tea. 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 I was busy at that moment. 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 I would like to see you again next week. I would like to see you again next week. I would like to see you again next week. I would like to see you again next week. I would like to see you again next week. His hands were empty. His hands were empty. His hands were empty. His hands were empty. You will never realize what I went through. 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 Do you love cats or dogs? 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 It's still raining. It's still raining. It's still raining. Or we can say, it is still raining. It is still raining. He began running. He began running. He began running. He began running. I have to comb my hair. 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 I don't like this sweater. I don't like this sweater. I don't like this sweater. Or we can say, I do not like this sweater. I do not like this sweater. All my friends watch football. 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 My house is near the supermarket. 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 First of all, I will start by introducing myself. First of all, I will start by introducing myself. First of all, I will start by introducing myself. First of all, I will start by introducing myself. The view is beautiful, isn't it? The view is beautiful, isn't it? The view is beautiful, isn't it? My phone is out of order. 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 I bought a refrigerator. I bought a refrigerator. I bought a refrigerator. Refrigerator. I bought a refrigerator. I bought a refrigerator. You disappoint me. You disappoint me. You disappoint me. You disappoint me. I wonder if the order will arrive on time. I wonder if the order will arrive on time. I wonder if the order will arrive on time. I wonder if the order will arrive on time. I wonder if the order will arrive on time. He kept her waiting for a long time. He kept her waiting for a long time. He kept her waiting for a long time. Are you free this afternoon? 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 Which team do you support? 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 Are you from England? Are you from England? Are you from England? Wait for a moment, please. 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 We had lunch at noontime. 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 Do as I said. Do as I said. Do as I said. Do as I said. I wish I earned more money. 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 I am broke. I have no 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 money. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. Have you ever went to Tokyo? 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 Please close the door quietly. 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 I have never seen that before. I have never seen that before. I have never seen that before. I have never seen that before.